Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably wondering how to check what's under the hood of your PC, specifically your graphics card. Whether you're a gamer looking to upgrade for better performance or just curious about your setup, this guide will walk you through it step by step. And since we're talking about 2025, we'll stick to the latest and most reliable methods that work on modern Windows systems. First off, why does this matter? Your graphics card, or GPU, handles all the visual magic on your screen, from smooth gaming to video editing. Knowing what you have helps you troubleshoot issues or decide on upgrades. Let's jump right in. The easiest way to check is through Device Manager. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Once it's open, expand the Display Adapters section. There you go. That's your graphics card listed, like NVIDIA GeForce or AMD Radeon. Simple, right? If you want more details, head to the System Information tool. Press the Windows key and type System Information to search for it, then open the app. In the left pane, click on Components and then Display. You'll see detailed specs like the model, manufacturer, and even driver version. This is perfect for tech enthusiasts. For those who prefer the command line, open the command prompt as an administrator. Type dxdiag and hit Enter. A window will pop up. Go to the Display tab, and boom, all the info you need is right there. If you're on a Mac or Linux, the process is a bit different, but since most PCs run Windows, we'll focus on that. One more tip. Always keep your drivers updated. Visit the manufacturer's website, like NVIDIA or AMD, and download the latest drivers for optimal performance. In 2025, with AI and ray tracing becoming even more common, staying current is key. There you have it. Checking your graphics card doesn't have to be complicated. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.